Whistleblowing has become more prevalent with the advent of digital technologies, allowing individuals to share information quickly and widely. However, many whistleblowers face reprisals when they reveal wrongdoings by governments or corporations. These individuals need to be protected under international law and national legislation, but this is not always the case. When whistleblowers are excluded from these protections, they can face criminal charges, restrictions on free speech, and other forms of retaliation. To ensure that whistleblowers have adequate protection, it is essential that their status as human rights defenders be recognized.
This article was authored by Naomi Colvin.